guys, it's Shannon and welcome to Sample Saturday, Season 2, Episode 27 or 28, I can't remember. But today I'm sitting in my bathtub, and that is because my grandma is awake in the living room watching the baseball game. And if I didn't film in here, I wouldn't have a video today. So we're filming in the bathtub. You know, sometimes you gotta make sacrifices. And today the location was the sacrifice instead of no video. So this is what we're doing today. Also, if you didn't notice, I did color my hair. I hope you all like it. I really do. I think it looks really cute. And yeah, it was supposed to be like a dark brown, almost black, but my hair just took the black. It was kind of damaged on the ends from where I had the red for so long and where it had the bleach underneath it. So my hair was really porous, and when your hair is really porous, it like grabs color really well. So my hair did that, but I like it. I think it looks super cute. And then one of my best friends, Ricky, at school, she was nice enough to curl it for me so it looks all fabulous. And yeah, but let's just get right into this. I'm sure you're tired of listening to me blab, but let's just get on with it. And yeah, I'm making a mess. Alright, so I'm going to start with the perfume that I had this week. This is the English Laundry perfume. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm sorry, it's kind of far away. This smelled really nice. The scent only lasted about 4 hours from what I noticed. But then I could just spray it like 1 or 2 more times and it refreshed it. So that wasn't really a problem for me. I really did like the scent though. It smelled really nice. And also, the packaging is beautiful. I really love the packaging. It kind of has a really nice like bright scent, but it's like kind of like a floral scent, but it's also like a really elegant scent. On Amazon, which is where I found it, it says it has notes, it's a purely peaceful scent, which I did find that it was a very calming scent as well. It has notes of orris roots, a powdery musk, and essential woods. And it also has like white chocolate and jasmine petals. Oh, it's complemented by that, I guess. Okay. I don't know about that. I don't know about things complementing other things. I'm not good at that thing. But anyways, I did really like the scent. It smelled really nice. And I do think I would wear this a lot. But it is $70. And I'm sorry. I love it a lot, but I can never see myself paying that much for a perfume. That just seems outrageous to me. I still haven't even bought the One Direction perfume because I think it's too much, and that's like $25. So, I'm sorry, but I'm a cheap bitch, so yeah. Anyways, next product. I think I would honestly purchase that if it was cheaper, but I can't pay $70. That's really pricey. Alright, next product I had was the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in the color Nude Glow. This was nice. It was a really nice moisturizer. It felt really nice on my skin. Seemed to moisturize really well. I hated the scent of this though. I can't even describe it to you guys. Like, it's an insanely sweet scent, but it smells like some kind of citrus note that I don't know what it is, but it's also insanely sweet, and the scent just makes me like physically sick to smell it. Hi Snoop. Thanks Bubba, you're in my camera. You want this? You can't have it. Alright. But I just can't see myself. I'll finish out the sample, don't get me wrong, but I can't see myself purchasing a full size. It's $50 first of all, so I'm not going to purchase it anyways because that's too expensive for me. But I don't see myself purchasing this anyways just because of the scent. The scent literally makes me physically sick. And like, I hate putting it on because of the smell. But I mean, it does give a really nice glow. The one thing I do hate though is I feel like if I'm putting on an illuminating moisturizer in the morning, and it's like it says I can apply it under my makeup, okay? But once you put your makeup on, it covers it. there's no glow. There's no glow that comes through like an illuminating primer or something like that. So that's kind of frustrating. If I want an illuminated face, there's no point in using this because it's not going to, if I'm wearing makeup, it's not going to illuminate it. So that's my opinion on that. It does come in 3 different shades: the Nude Glow, the Sun Glow, and the Pearl Glow. But yeah, that's just my opinion on it, and yeah. Alright, let's pull out some products. I got my box here beside me. This little thing keeps wanting to fly out every video, but let's just pull out some things, okay? So we're going to look away and rummage through this box. Let's try that again. Alright, what are you? Ooh, we got an eyeshadow from Dirty Little Secret. I like this brand. Color's Bikini. And, ooh, that's gorgeous. It's a really nice, like, bronzy shade. Can you see it? Let's watch it. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm going lower than that. I think Bricky would like that, too. I talk about Bricky a lot. Bricky's a great lady. I think y'all would like her. She's going to be in a video one day. I promise you guys. Alright, next product. Why did I say it like that? Product. Alright. Hi, Angel. Alright, what are you? Ooh, we got another primer. Or, a new primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. So there we go. I know that's been in there for a while because it's starting to like separate, but it's still good. You just gotta shake it up. But yeah, so those are my products for the week. I'm excited to try them out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love getting new subscribers and being able to talk to you guys in the comments. So don't forget to leave me a comment and I will reply to all of them. And yeah, Snoop's here. He says goodbye. And he just gave the camera a kiss, so that was nice. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys!